In this video guide, we will give you instructions to get rid of the browser hijacker that is called TotalAsk. It is also known under the name of the website totalask.com. TotalAsk is called a browser hijacker because it changes crucial browser settings without the customer's permission. These sort of programs are created to generate revenue from pay-per-click advertising. The authors of the plugin or the browser extension claim that it provides the best results from the entire internet. But many creators of such apps advertise them with false claims to make them more desirable. After such an add-on appears in the browser, many people think that they have been infected with a virus. Although unwanted extensions are not the most serious threats, they could lead to serious intruders because they can change what you see and inject their own ads into the search results. So if you ever see this TotalAsk as the part of your Google Chrome browser, consider fixing your browser immediately. First thing you can do and you should do is to go to the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. And if you find any third-party extensions, including TotalAsk, get rid of them, disable and delete them. Also, I recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, then wait until it updates the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan. Combo Cleaner will perform the thorough investigation of your computer. It will detect other possible threats on the system, remove them effectively, and protect your data from being damaged in the future. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threats that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the threat, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific threat, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of threat on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.